Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one sample sign test using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm using Python version 3.818 and this test is actually used to test for a specific median. The one sample Wilcoxon signed rank test might probably be more popular for this, and there's also a one sample trinomial test that could do this. The difference being that the trinomial test does take into consideration scores that are equal to the hypothesized median, and the binomial, the one sample sign test does not. To show you how this can be done, I'll load in an example. So for that, I'll import pandas PD, so I can use their read CSV function to load in a file called GSS2012A. It's from the General Social Survey from 2012, adjusted for these explanation purposes. I don't need all the data, I just need one ordinal field, so I'm going to be using account sci, which was the response to how scientific accounting is. I'm going to be storing that under ord field. To give you a quick impression, I used the values count, so for example 100 people thought it was very scientific. Note that these are not in proper order, so it might be helpful to actually have a small dictionary with the proper order stored under coding. Now, my library itself you can install from my GitHub account, so please use pip install and then GitHub and then this link. Then you can import it just as any other library, and then you should have access to oh, I forgot to install it myself. Recently made some changes, but that should give you then access to a function called TS, short for test, sign, and then OS for one sample. The function actually only has 3 input parameters. One is a must, the others are optional. The data, of course, the levels is optional. That's in case you have ordinal data that's non-numerical. So in my case, as you can see, I'll be using coding for that. And if you want, you can specify the hypothesized median. If you don't specify it, it will simply use the mid-range, so it will do the maximum plus minimum divided by 2. Alright, and that should be enough. Has it finished successfully installed, so it should run. And as you can see, it returns 3 values: the hypothesized median used, the significance, and a small description of the test that was used. It's below 0.05 the significance, so therefore we would say it's significantly different from the hypothesized value. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.